We got a fucking RPM gauge problem previously. We're gonna see if it still happens. Yeah, that's not correct. It is not idling below 1,000 right now.
Off a cold start now.
See, like, we're over 1,000 right now.
Yeah, that is definitely incorrect.
But we're gonna get it right. We're gonna get it right. I wanna go fucking get
It is definitely above 1,000 RPM right now as we're accelerating.
So it's kind of sad it doesn't work because I mean I like treating this car nice, but we're gonna make it work.
We're gonna do something even better. Tachometer is not working, so here's the fix.
You gotta bust it out.
I have a big ass tack right there on the dash.
But it's gonna be period correct. It's
Yeah.
gonna be perfect. Put that locking thing.
Got the cookbook out just for this little thing. Fucking tack is wired up. It's a little delayed, but it's not bad. Are you gonna put the red lights in it now, or?
Yeah, probably.
All right, we can do
Shut it
that.
off.
That's cool.
So it worked better than it did any other time.
Yeah, so that took a bunch of messing with to get to read correctly. And it took a long time to try and get it to the correct fuse. We ended up putting it to it had to be to a fuse that got power when the key was on, but not when the key was off. So we ended up going to the wiper fuse, which is the third fuse on the top row. There, in the driver's side kick panel compartment. We ended up getting it though. Got the red backlighting on it.
The red serial numbers.
Yeah, the red serial 9 shift knob and the
Red
handbrake button. Got a theme going in here. Next day, got the wiring for the tack tucked up, retucked the airbag wire. It's all nice and clean. Just had to swap the front tires because the front's recording. Just threw some other burners on here.
Burners all the way around now.
Yeah. All right, final steps of this install. We're just gonna loom up these wires to make it look cleaner and tuck them a little bit better. But that is probably going to be the permanent spot for it. That looks good. That's hard.
Oh.